Hi, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. My name's Emily and today we will be building a chicken burrito bowl. First, we're gonna start off with some cilantro rice. It's just white rice steamed with cilantro and a little bit of lime in it. And then we're gonna make some corn salsa, and that'll have red onion, white wine vinegar, cilantro, cumin, chili powder, a little bit of lime juice, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we're gonna have some pico de gallo, and then we're gonna grill off some chicken and dice it. And it's red onion, cumin, a little bit of lime juice, oil, salt, pepper, oregano, and minced garlic. And then we're gonna make some guacamole, and that'll have a little bit of salt and pepper, lime juice, cilantro, and then granulated garlic, red onion, and diced tomatoes, and then black beans, and then we'll top it off with some cheddar cheese. We're gonna start making the corn salsa, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of everything in. So we have cilantro, the red onion, a little bit of cumin, then chili powder, then the white wine vinegar, a little bit of lime juice, and some salt and pepper, and then we'll just give that a nice little stir around and move on to do the chicken. And this will be grilled off first, and it's just a little bit of lime, cumin, a little bit of red onion, salt and pepper, some oil, and then some garlic and oregano. And then we can just mix this around a little bit. And then we'll throw this on the grill and get it nice and brown. And now we're gonna make the guacamole. So we're just gonna take a couple avocados, get them open, get the pits out, and then scoop this into our bowl. Then we'll mix everything else in with it and get this all mixed together. And then just again, a little bit of lime juice, some salt and pepper, cilantro, some red onion, and then some diced tomatoes, and just a little bit of garlic. And then take this, smash everything up. Okay, now we're just gonna start assembling everything. So at the bottom, there's gonna be the cilantro rice. And then we'll do a little bit of black beans, then the corn salsa, and then on top we'll put a little bit of guac, and then the pico, and then we just have to dice up some of our chicken that we got. Throw some of that right on top. And then it'll come with a side of sour cream and a lime wedge. And this will be available in Cafe and Bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching.